Hey guys, welcome back. Houston Math Prep here. In this video, we're looking at more examples of solving radical equations. In this one, we have a radical on both sides of our equal sign. So we have the square root of 3x plus 8 equals the square root of x plus 2. So normally we would say that our first step is to isolate the radical on one side. But in this case, we can't do that because we have a radical on both sides, so we'll go ahead and skip right to step 2, which is to square both sides. So squaring both sides, I know that square cancels out square root, and I get 3x plus 8 equals square and square root cancel out, leaving me with x plus 2. Now, step 3 is typically solve the equation that remains. So I'll start off by subtracting x from both sides to gather up my x's. 2x plus 8 equals 2. Subtracting 8 from both sides, I get 2x equals 2 minus 8 is negative 6. And dividing both sides by 2, I get x equals negative 3 as my potential solution. Now remember, anytime we solve by squaring both sides, we need to make sure that we go back and check that that solution is actually a true solution. So doing so, plugging in 3 times negative 3 plus 8, we want to know, does that equal the square root of negative 3 plus 2? So 3 times negative 3, that makes negative 9 plus 8. Negative 9 plus 8 is negative 1. Now really, regardless of what this side is, here we run into a problem. We are not able to work with real numbers and have a negative underneath a square root. So we're not allowed to have the square root of negative 1 underneath. So even if the other side is matching, negative 3 is not a good solution. Since it was our only possibility, we will say there are no solutions to this. All right, guys, that does it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one.